I want to teach you how to become your own bank. Forget groveling to Wells Fargo when you need a home or car loan. Don't run to JP Morgan or Bank of America and get on bended knee to beg for a loan to buy a business. Take control of your life. It's time to start the bank of you. In this video, I will explain how to harness the power of life insurance to build real wealth, to build your own bank so you can control your time and what you do with it. And by the end of this video, it will become clear to you, perhaps for the first time, that a real and achievable path to wealth exists for you. When most people think about life insurance, they focus almost entirely on the death benefit, the amount their beneficiaries receive if they pass away while the policy is active. But there is another key component of life insurance that is often overlooked: borrowing from the cash value of the policy. You borrow from yourself, not a bank. While life insurance may seem like just another expense at first glance, the truth is that it can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Think about it. When you invest in an IRA or a 401k, you don't view it as an expense, you view it as an investment for your future retirement. When you invest in an IRA or 401k, you're essentially putting your money in chains. You're locking it away until you're about 59 years old. Bye-bye money, is what you're saying. It becomes useless to you right now. Even a pet rock would serve you better in the present. Viewed through this lens, a life insurance policy is far superior to an IRA or a 401k. With life insurance, you allow the policy's interest to accrue and compound just like in an IRA or 401k, but the key difference is this: the interest on a whole life policy is guaranteed. Your IRA and 401k are not guaranteed. Even better, you can take out a loan against your life insurance policy to purchase an asset that generates more cash flow, like real estate or a business. Try doing that with your IRA or 401k. Sure, you can withdraw money, but they hit you with penalties and taxes for doing so. Not with life insurance. This is how you become your own bank, the bank of you. Instead of giving your money to an IRA or 401k, you're essentially giving the money to yourself. You can use your policy to finance large purchases such as investment properties or educational expenses without dipping into your savings or selling your investments. In short, although life insurance may initially appear to be just another expense, it is, in reality, a highly valuable asset for supporting both short-term and long-term wealth-building goals. Do not underestimate its power. In this video, I will help you unlock that power. Whole life or permanent life insurance policies enjoy what I call the Big Five: 1. Guaranteed returns, 2. Dividend accumulation, 3. Tax-free growth, 4. Policy loans, 5. Death benefit. Let me explain each one. 1. Guaranteed returns. Unlike traditional investments such as stocks or bonds, whole life insurance policies provide contractually guaranteed returns each year. The guaranteed rate, often around 3%, is set by the insurance provider. These guaranteed returns offer a stable source of growth while providing security and peace of mind. Additionally, many companies offer perks such as cash bonuses or interest-free loans at certain milestones. For example, after being a policyholder for a specific number of years or after paying a certain amount in premiums. I'll explain these perks in simple terms as we continue. 2. Dividend accumulation. The cash value of your policy can accumulate dividends over time as your policy matures. Dividend rates are often around 2 to 3%. These dividends can be used for cash withdrawals, premium rebates, purchasing additional coverage, or funding long-term goals through various financial strategies. This is another way you become your own bank. 3. Tax-free growth. Most traditional investment gains are taxed. For example, if you buy and sell a stock or a cryptocurrency for profit, you pay taxes on the gains. But one of the greatest benefits of a whole life policy is that it allows you to grow wealth tax-free inside the policy. This means your money has even more opportunity to compound, making it a powerful long-term planning tool. For policy loans, once you accumulate enough cash value, you have several options. You can surrender the policy and withdraw the full amount, or you can take a partial withdrawal and keep your coverage. But the most powerful option, one many people forget, is borrowing against your cash value. When you borrow against your policy, your death benefit remains intact, and you can use the borrowed funds to finance important purchases. Best of all, the interest rates on policy loans are typically much lower than bank loan rates. No credit checks, no penalties, no mandatory monthly payments. You only pay back what you use, and you can take as long as you want. This is the bank of you. 5. Death benefit. The death benefit is what most people associate with life insurance, but it is actually the last reason to buy it. The death benefit provides a financial safety net for your loved ones and ensures that the wealth you've built stays in the family. But again, the primary reason to buy life insurance is to become your own bank. The value of a whole life policy increases over time as the cash value grows. However, this growth alone is not fast enough to outpace inflation or serve as a standalone wealth building strategy. To maximize the effectiveness of a whole life policy, you must understand how to use it as a financial tool. One of the most effective strategies is borrowing against your policy and reinvesting the funds into another revenue generating asset such as real estate or a business. By doing this, you build your wealth on top of your wealth. Rather than pleading with Wells Fargo or JP Morgan for a loan, you borrow from yourself at lower interest rates with no credit checks, no penalties, and no tax consequences. Your cash value is always available to you whether you want to buy an investment property, start a business, purchase a car, or reinvest in yourself through education or skill development. If flexibility and control over your money matter to you, whole life insurance may be the perfect investment choice. After all, why borrow from Wells Fargo or JP Morgan when you can borrow from the bank of you? The entire purpose of this video is to give you a powerful strategy for using your time and money more effectively to build wealth. And if you truly want to create real, lasting wealth, you must understand the foundations of money itself.
For that reason, I highly recommend watching my video on Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money.
It will completely change the way you think about money.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I want to tell you how to become your own banks for get rolling to Wells Fargo when you need a home or car loan. Don't run to JP Morgan or Bank of America and get on bank it need to big for a loan to buy a business. Take control of your life. It's time to start the bank of you. In this video I will explain how to harness the power of life insurance to build real wealth, to build your own banks so you can control your time and what you do with it. And by the end of this video I will become clear to you, perhaps for the first time, that a real and achievable path of wealth exists for you. When most people think about life insurance, they focus almost entirely on the death benefits, the amount their beneficiaries receive if they pass away while the policy is active. But there is no another key component of the life insurance that is often overlooked. Borrowing from the cash value of the policy, you borrow from yourself, not a bank. So I hope you will enjoy today my video. So please like this video and share, and you will be subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.